Welcome to our Dream Self era. I'm really excited. If it's your first time here sa webinar natin, welcome, welcome, welcome. I suggest na you watch the part 1 kasi this is a 3-part webinar. Part 1 is all about aligning to your dream self. So, yun yung step 1. We are here in step 2, but no worries if you haven't done step 1 yet kasi this step 2 is actually one of the most important parts and it's about manifesting. So, tonight we are gonna be manifesting. So, again, please make sure na meron kayong notebook or even a laptop, iPad, basta you can write or type in it. At the same time, make sure na you have like your favorite drink. I have matcha here. Kasi this might be a little bit heavy. We're gonna go back to the science of manifestation, especially if it's your first time manifesting, beginner sa manifestation. You might not understand it yet, or baka hindi pa siya nagkiklik kasi nga, you're still trying to find if this really is working or bakit di mo pa nakukuha yung manifestations mo. So, can you guys let me know if beginner ka sa manifestation? If you're a beginner sa manifestation, kindly type in 1. Kindly type in 1 sa chat box if you are a beginner in manifestation. And 2 if may experience ka but you still need help. Let me know. 2, 2. Okay. I think everyone naman may experience sa manifestation kasi we have been manifesting our whole lives. So, before anything else, I want to ask you guys if nagawa nyo na tong mga techniques sa pag-manifest. Kindly type in A, letter A, if ginawa mo tong technique, which is affirmations. This is one of my favorites, pero I'll explain later. Okay. How about journaling or visualization? Journaling, visualization, scripting, yung mga sinabi ko, yung mga nabanggit ko, kindly type in A if ginawa nyo yun. A. 'Di ba? Ang daming techniques dyan. Ang dali niyang gawin, pero minsan, nahihirapan pa rin tayo mag-manifest. So, ayan. Pero may hindi pa rin na-manifest. So, if you are here, that means na may kulang pa rin na manifestation na hasn't brought into our reality yet. So, I'm actually gonna be helping you with this. So, this is the perfect part of the webinar that really, really could help you out. It's something that most people skip on tapos diretso na agad sila sa technique. So, this might feel uncomfortable pero this technique or this step will change everything. So, understanding what's blocking you. Bakit nga ba hindi mo pa nakukuha yung manifestation mo? So, you can't shift what you're unwilling to see. So, for example, if you are saying you're rich, pero you're still feeling lack, feeling mo kulang savings mo, that would be one of the reasons that your manifestations hasn't been into fruition yet. Parang hindi pa siya di mo pa siya nakukuha, di mo pa siya nakikita. And at the same time, I want you guys to be really honest with yourself and with what you're gonna be doing today. Okay ba? So, can you guys let me know sa chat box ano to? Ano to? At ano to? Siguro naman in your whole life, nakita nyo na to. Ano ba to? Remote and TV. Okay, tama. Thank you, Dana. Dana, sorry. Thank you, Dana. Remote and TV. So, I'll explain it to you as easy as possible kasi manifestation isn't supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be fun. So, you clicking on the remote on every button, it's like you saying affirmations. It's you saying, sorry, nag-ilaw. It's you doing all the techniques. This could be journaling, visualization, this could be scripting, this could be any method basically. You clicking on the remote buttons, diba? Pero, the TV isn't working. So, the TV not working is your subconscious mind telling you that you're still broke or you're still stuck. Okay? So, for example, yung minamanifest natin is becoming rich, di ba? Kindly type in G if naiintindihan. Kindly type in G if naiintindihan. How about the others? G. Kindly type in F if hindi. Para I can teach you it properly. Okay, G. So, yung subconscious mind, I'm gonna be telling you what subconscious mind is. So, we have two parts of our brain, right? So, we have the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Yung conscious mind is basically what's working when we're awake. Subconscious mind is what's working when we are, what do you call this? We are sleeping. Parang siya yung nagwo-work. For example, how do you call this? For example, yun nga, you are saying to yourself na you're rich. You saying you're rich is your conscious mind acting. Siya yung gumagana. But you don't feel it or you still feel stuck, is your subconscious mind programming, siya yung gumagana. Kasi you still feel like this. Bakit ganito pa rin yung naiisip mo? It's because of how you're acting. So I'm gonna be diving deep into this later on. So ang pinaka-goal natin is to rewire or ayusin yung subconscious mind. So, again, going back, you clicking onto the remote, tapos hindi gumagana yung TV, yan, which means you still feeling broke or stuck kahit gumagamit ka ng techniques. Ang kailangan mong gawin is again, ayusin yung subconscious mind mo. Rewiring your subconscious mind. It's you plugging in the TV para gumana siya, para makita mo ang minamanifest mo. Okay? So, how does rewiring your subconscious mind look like? In simplest terms, it's believing and feeling what you're saying. So, I'm gonna show you how to do that later on. So far, naiintindihan ba? Kindly type in yes if naintindihan so far. Yes. You can type in no if hindi para I can explain it to you better. Yes, yes, okay. Hi, Eve. So, I'm already explaining how the subconscious mind works and what's blocking our manifestations. Kindly make sure na you have a pen or notebook para magawa natin yung dream self-activation today. So, once you plug in the TV, or once inayos mo yung subconscious mind mo, that's the time the TV works. That's the time, excuse me, that's the time that you get your manifestation. Okay? So, ano ba yung exact steps to getting your manifestation? How do we actually rewire our subconscious? How do we fix our subconscious mind para makuha natin yung manifestation? Kasi yung mga techniques, yung mga scripting, visualizing, journaling, affirmations, pwede naman siya gumana. And you can still get your manifestation even without doing it. How do you do that? It's through self-concept. Okay? If nakikita nyo to sa group natin na how to do self-concept, ano po yung self-concept, ito na yun. Okay? It's forcing versus being. So, let's say yung affirmation na ginagamit natin is, I'm confident. And then we have a shy girl here. And then this girl that stands up tall. Tapos parang hindi siya nahihiya to speak her mind. Who do you think is showing up as a confident woman? Girl A or girl B? Type in sa chat. Is it girl A or girl B? Girl B. How about the others? B. Yung iba, ayan, B. Okay? So, if you are confident, the world will literally show you the reasons on how you can become more confident, why you're confident. So, oo, tama. 'Di ba? It's girl B. So you'll get love kasi nga you're confident, you're showing up as your most authentic self. You get friends, compliments, opportunities. Unlike girl A, na sinasabi niya lang to pero hindi niya ramdam. Okay? So, your subconscious, the subconscious part of your brain is watching what you do, not what you say. So for example, si girl A, she's saying she's confident, pero as you can see, her posture pa lang, nakita mo, kuba siya, parang minamaliit niya talaga yung katawan niya. She's making her body as small as possible para she doesn't take up space in the room. Tapos, ganun pa. Tapos, sinasabi niya sa ulo niya, I'm confident. Yun yung affirmation niya. But the way she shows up in the world is contradicting her affirmation. Unlike girl B, sinasabi niya, I'm confident, kahit hindi niya pa 100% feel sa katawan niya. As a confident person, kahit i-search niya, how does a confident person walk, stand? she still does it kahit hindi niya 100% ramdam. Kasi nga, the subconscious part of our brain is seeing what you're doing, not what you're saying. Okay, balik tayo dito. Nagagets ba? Kindly type in G if naiintindihan. G. Okay. Thank you, guys. So, how do we do this na? So, I want you guys to understand this. Ito yung science, okay? This is what we call neuroscience. So, your brain believes what you do and feel every day. This is from the book. Nandito ba siya? Binigay ko sa boyfriend ko. This is in the book Atomic Habits. So, if you can show up as your dream self every single day, kahit sinasabi mo pa yan, kahit gawin mo yan, if sinasabi mo lang siya, let's say you're rich, diba? I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Pero what you're doing is, gusto mo lang bilhin yung pinakamura na gamit, gusto mo lang mag-save, gusto mo lang, let's say, ayaw mong gamitin yung pera mo kasi nga, kulang ka ng pera. That's what you're doing. And that's what your subconscious brain is showing you sa reality mo. Okay? But, even if wala pa sa our reality, yung physical world, 'di ba? Kahit wala pa yung bank account savings na 1 million pesos, pero you're acting as if you have 1 million pesos, walang walang choice yung reality but to show you that you have 1 million pesos. Okay? Again, your brain believes what you do and feel every day. So, it doesn't rewire from words, it doesn't fix just because you're saying it. It rewires because of repetition and emotion. So, going back sa pag-manifest ng pera, since yun yung example natin kanina pa. For me, for example, when I was broke as fuck, as in sobrang broke ko talaga, I was a broke student, wala akong pera, as in di ako kumakain ng pagkain, pag kailangan ko umuwi, nakikisabay lang ako sa mga kaibigan ko, ganun. So, for me to see, or for you guys, like, ito na, I'm the literal example na you can manifest even while you're broke. Kasi, look, I have a phone, DJI Pocket 3, magkano to? May iPad, may laptop, ito, nakakabili akong matcha. If I could have manifested as a broke-ass student, not getting any money from my family, what's your excuse? 'Di ba? And this isn't from a person who's living in the US na hindi mo kilala, na nasa first world country. This is from a real Filipino that has manifested for years. And again, we are unconsciously manifesting everything in our life. Why not use it to our advantage? And I manifested. One of the ways na I love manifesting, especially for money, is every time na may bibilin akong pagkain. Kasi dati talaga ayoko bumili ng pagkain. Kasi nga, let's say, 200 pesos lang talaga yung laman ng bangko ko. 200 pesos lang natira sa wallet ko. Siyempre, in my body, in my old patterns, ang sinasabi ng subconscious mind ko is, wala kang pera eh. Ba't ka bibili? 'Di ba? But, if we show up as someone, let's say, may 1,000 pesos ako, sabihin ko sa sarili ko, okay lang bumiling pagkain, may parating akong pera. Okay lang, okay lang. That's what I'm feeling. I'm making sure na I feel it in my body na okay lang matakot. Just know may parating tayong pera. Sinasabi ko yun in my head, okay lang, okay lang. Tapos ang bibilhin ko Jollibee lang. As in Jollibee, di ko ma-afford dati. Sabihin ko, okay lang, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, kaya mo to. May parating na pera. And my brain hears that. My subconscious mind hears that. And because I keep on buying food for myself, kahit pagkain lang talaga, ang nangyayari is, the universe gives me more reasons to, the universe gives me more money. Kasi nga nakikita niya through repetition and emotion na sinasabi ko na may pera ako. And as someone na may pera, bibili akong pagkain. Nagigets ba? Kindly type in gets if naiintindihan. Kindly type in gets if naiintindihan. Gets. How about the others? Naiintindihan ba siya? Gets. Okay. Let me drink my matcha. Guys, if nakikita niyo kung nag-shake and nag-burp like this, malapit na mag-palpitate. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Okay. Now, acting like your dream self will make your brain start believing it's real. And when your brain believes that it's real, the universe will show you evidence. Ulitin ko ah. Once your brain believes that it's real, the universe will show you evidence. You have to believe before the evidence shows up. So, I want you to get your notebook. I'll give you 3 minutes. I want you guys to answer this. Who have I been being this week? If you're manifesting money, are you broke? Are you acting like a broke person? 'Di ba? Who have you been doing? I want you guys to be really honest. I want you guys to break the pattern, and you can't break a pattern if you can't see it. Who have you been doing or who have you been being this week? Ano ginagawa ng dream self mo? What do they believe? And what should your dream self be doing? Or what should your dream self be avoiding? Ano dapat ina-avoid niya ngayon? Okay? If it's like, yun nga, money, she should stop talking about being broke. Like, kunyari, gino-joke mo lang na, shit, I'm broke nga eh. Broke people problems, haha, laugh. No, don't say that. I don't even like saying the word broke. Rebuke, rebuke, rebuke. So, again, I'll give you guys 3 minutes and make sure to write this down in a notebook so you don't have to share it. 3 minutes starts now.
You know my energy, feeling it up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Thinking coffee plates and set that I'm structuring. Faster, write it down, you know it's happening. Walking on my vein life, my life it can be real fine. You get I close shine. Are you going with me? I have the right. When the things are right for me. You was a mess, but I'm growing up. Thinking God that I'm so blessed, yeah, show me love. So go, don't cheat yourself on this, get your glow. And it's all because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. And if I say write it down, you know it's happening. And I see anything that I want. I got a belly, got a booty, got that butter. I'm on the grind, I don't know if I do it just for fun. See you watching, take a picture, then I'll ask for love. 'Cause we don't need a drama. Nah, nah, you wanna hate, you gon' get karma. Nah, nah, we gon' get on. Nah, nah, you just been like a lot. Tell me your reasons that I see fake. Yeah, that was something that I be doing. Get deal, that you should do. That's the point of you. Watch the change, girl, it's up to you. You was a mess, but I'm growing up. Thanking God that I'm so blessed, yeah, show me love. Say, girl, don't teach yourself unless get to glow. And it's all because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking.
Okay, let me turn on again this music. Ayan. So it has been 3 minutes. I hope you guys journaled and became really, really honest and transparent with yourself para when we wake up tomorrow, aligned na talaga tayo to our dream self. And I kid you not, yung manifestations, yung mga wins, yung blessings na mapupunta sa'yo once you activate your dream self, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. As in, kinakalibutan ako. So excited for you. Okay. So, First of all, I want you guys to stop blocking your own manifestation. Tigilan nyo na, please. One of the ways na you're blocking your own manifestation is you are too attached to your manifestation. And even ako, dati, I used to be so attached sa manifestation. Pag pera, hanapin ko asan na yung pera, asan na yung pera, sasabi ko, asan na yung pera na minamanifest ko, paano ba siya makakarating, kailan siya makakarating sa buhay ko. That's you being so attached to the outcome. So, it's like, yun nga, nakalagay dito, you're saying, I'll feel happy when it finally happens. Or, again, let's say, yung sa pera, bibili ako ng favorite na pagkain ko pag nagkapera ako. That is not acting like your higher self. Again, you have to believe it for you to achieve your manifestation, for you to get your manifestation. So, again, don't be too attached sa outcome mo. Okay? Huwag mong hanapin, hayaan mo lang. Let the universe cook. Okay? Let the universe cook. Next, you're avoiding your real emotions. Let me know, type in ako if these are some blocks na you have para I know rin how I can help you better. Type in ako if you have this block, which is you're avoiding your real emotions. Parang, let's say nga, nagmamanifest ka ng pera, pero again, hindi mo talaga feel na parang okay ka lang, you don't feel abundant, and it's okay. It's okay to feel lack. It's okay to feel scared. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel envy. It's okay to feel jealous about other people getting their manifestation. It's okay to feel jealous now other people are living your dream life. It's okay. You avoiding your real emotions is something that's not okay. Okay, you're skipping the most important part, which is finding or literally comforting that side of you that got you where you are right now. And even if where you are right now isn't a place where you want to be, it's a place where you can start to become your dream self. Okay? So just let yourself feel the emotions. Don't force a positive vibe. Wag mong pilitin na, okay lang talaga ako. Gagastusin ko to. Tapos paiyak ka na. Tapos last na pera mo na to. Wag ganon. Talk to yourself. Literally listen to yourself. That's why I'm asking you guys to journal. Kasi nga, the more that you journal, the more that you heal that inner child, yung mga wounds, yung mga trauma nyo sa buhay. Okay, kasi once that's healed, once that wounds are like, parang nag-heal na nga siya, 'di ba? It's easier for you to manifest. Okay? So, again, your body remembers what you haven't processed. So, you have to start feeling your emotions, asking yourself, how do you really feel? Why do you feel like this? This is the shadow work that I've been telling you guys about. Okay? Ako pa both 1 and 2, and it's okay. It's 100% okay. Like, I'm not sure why other people don't talk about, dati nagmamanifest ako ganito, ganyan. Yes, we manifested things like this, pero there wasn't a time na we were scared. We were scared. We were unsure kung gagana ba talaga to. But we comforted this side of ourselves na takot. Okay? We comforted the side of ourselves na, again, attached sa outcome, na it's okay even if you don't see the manifestation agad. It's okay. Just know it's gonna come. If you still feel sad, if you still feel lack, it's okay. It's okay na you feel like this, pero just know that this emotion isn't serving us any good anymore. So I'm gonna feel you today, pero tomorrow wala na. Okay? Pain is pain is demanded to be felt. If you don't feel it, if you don't suppress it, lalabas siya ng lalabas. And block number 3, you're saying the right words, pero again, hindi mo talaga siya napapaniwalaan. You don't believe the things na you're saying. You journal na you're rich. Pero deep down, you still say na hindi naman to totoo, sinusulat ko lang to. That is the story you're telling yourself based on your experience. Pero just know, your future isn't created from your past experiences. Your future is created by what you're doing right now. Okay? So change the narrative, change the story. Believe it. Believe that you have the power kasi you do, you do, you do. Everyone else doesn't have to believe it, but if you do, that's all you freaking need to succeed. Okay? So, again, reflection time. ang daming reflection na mangyayari. This is the last one, don't worry. But I will give you guys 5 minutes. 5 minutes starts now. Write down sa journal, where do you feel blocked right now? Or fake kapag nagmamanifest kayo? Do you feel fake when you say na maganda ka? Do you feel fake pag sinasabi mo na may crush sa'yo yung crush mo? Do you feel fake when you say na ang dami mong pera na parating? Say it. Write it down. And what part of you doesn't believe na it can happen? Is it because nung bata ka, na yung parents mo, siguro wala silang pera and you're scared na baka if you do the same mistakes, if you act out of that pattern na you saw or act out of the things that they taught, baka maging broke ka. So what part of you doesn't believe na it can happen? So let's say maganda, minamanifest mo na maging sobrang ganda, maging confident. Pero when you were a kid, lagi kang binubuli ka sinasabing pangit ka, wala nagka-crush sa'yo. So, literally be honest with yourself. Where do you feel blocked or fake when manifesting? And what part of you doesn't believe that you can achieve your manifestation? So 8:35, you don't have to type it here sa chat box. Again, you write it down in your notebook. This is for you and for you only. We are not putting our energy into the things that is blocking our manifestation anymore.
It's the sound, let the sounds at night. Take a look.
You have 2 minutes left. Okay. So, once you've written that down, once you finally see and you're honest now with yourself on what's blocking you get to breathe again. The moment that you name the block starts to lose its power. Di mo na feel yung parang nasasakal ka. Yung parang ang bigat ng feeling sa part ng katawan mo whenever you're trying to do something, act as if your dream self, 'di ba? Kasi nga, you still have a block. And now it's losing its power. maybe not fully today, pero once you continue this practice, you completely lose it na talaga. Magugulat ka na lang na whatever you've been manifesting for, kasi you are healing, makukuha mo na agad. So we did this. Awareness, becoming aware on what you're still avoiding. The block, the feeling, the thoughts, diba? So you being aware is already power. At the same time, you're not broken. You are just becoming more honest. And just because you're thinking this, you're thinking like this, just because na you felt this thought na maybe you still feel lack, maybe you still feel sad, maybe you even still feel broke. Whatever you're feeling doesn't mean it's gonna be manifesting. It means you're healing it. So that once you put the new program, yung new beliefs, which is being rich, being confident, having a better love life, whatever it is you're manifesting, hindi siya parang, this is the whole, right? And then you're trying to put the new manifestation, yung new belief. And hindi siya kasya kasi nga, may nandun eh, which is the limiting belief, which is the block. Pero the block is slowly losing, 'di ba? It's slowly nawawala na siya sa subconscious mind mo. And slowly pumapasok na yung belief mo, which is being abundant, rich, beautiful, whatever it is. Okay? Seeing your truth is the bravest trick, is the bravest thing that you can do. And this is your real starting point. It's not the techniques, it's not the visualization, it's not you sitting in front of a mirror saying words that you don't even believe. It's here. You're now being aligned to the dream version of yourself. Okay? Question. Okay, guys. I want you guys then to ask questions right now. This is the part that you can ask questions. Kasi after this, there is an activity. So sabi ni Eve, question lang po, is it okay to set a timeline for your manifestation? Yes, you can set a timeline, but you shouldn't be obsessed about it. Dati, I created a manifestation for one of my beauty accounts. It was to get 20K followers at this exact date, and I achieved it. So being specific when it comes to manifesting is something that can help speed up your manifestation. But again, it also happened because I believed it. I showed up as if I'm that person who has that amount of followers. Okay. Was I able to answer your question, Eve? If you guys have any other questions, you can type it here sa chat box or you can open your mic. Okay? After this, we're gonna be creating an activity so that you can 100% show up as your dream self. Again, this is part 1. I'm so excited for our part 3. If you guys haven't seen part 1 yet, this is part 2. If you guys haven't seen part 1 yet, I highly suggest that you watch part 1. Okay? You watch part 1 so that once you finish everything here, it really is a shift. You really are shifting. Imagine this as a portal. Actually, it's not imagining. This is a portal. This is a portal as your higher self. This is a portal to your dream self. Okay? Kindly type in 1 if you guys have no more questions. Type in 1 if wala na kayong questions so that we can move to the next portion. 1. Okay. Ayan. Sabi ni Mahiwaga, in what way can the identified block lose its power? Since you are already aware of the block nga, ano na siya, you don't really 100% feel it anymore. It's like you comforting your inner child. The way na I check my blocks kasi, I'm identifying, okay, why do I, kunyari, when I was manifesting money, why do I feel like I can't have enough money? Why can't I manifest more money? So, let's say, sasabihin ko, it's because when I was a child, ganito yung situation namin ng family ko. Lagi nila sinasabi na money doesn't grow on trees, mahirap magkaroon ng pera. Those were my blocks. Okay? Now, once you identified na, okay, that doesn't have to be my reality. Kasi in reality, people get money just because they're passionate about their work. People get money in different ways. Their reality shouldn't be my reality. The story, which is the blocks, the old story, yung blocks na yon shouldn't be my story. Kasi I have a story, which is, I am rich, I am successful, and I am rich and successful because of the work that I do, which is, again, ito, content creation, influencing, right? And I show up every day. And again, if you are showing up every day, babalik tayo dito, yan, your subconscious mind will believe it. So, hindi niya na pinapaniwalaan yung block. Pinapaniwalaan niya na yung actions na ginagawa mo. Nagigets ba? Was I able to answer your question? Please let me know, Mahiwaga. Was I able to answer your question? Guys, let me know if wala ng questions by typing 1. Okay? Thank you, Dana. How about Mahiwaga? Nasagot ko ba yung tanong mo? Yes, okay, thanks. You're welcome, you're welcome. Okay, guys. I'm so excited for you. I hope you felt the shift in our session today. The last activity to anchor this new reality. I want you guys to comment in our community what's one thought or belief na you're really ready to let go of. Is it lack? Is it feeling small? Is it being kuripot? Putang ina, sorry, napamura ako. That was my limiting belief talaga. As in, kuripot na kuripot ako. I hated spending money. And who are you choosing to become instead? Just one sentence. And at the same time, I want you guys to finish it with sharing this because I'm shifting. You are literally doing what I taught you. Your brain, your subconscious mind is seeing that you are shifting. Not just by saying it, pero doing it. You're letting it go. Okay? I'm gonna be checking sa Facebook community natin if meron nang nag-post so that I can approve it. Okay, guys? Let me know if you posted na by typing shifted sa chat box natin. Okay? I want you guys to leave this part 2, na you have felt shifted. You have shifted already. Kasi we are letting go of all the blocks and letting our dream self activate. Okay? What's one thought or belief na you're letting go? And who are you choosing to become instead? Okay? Type in shifted if you were able to post. Type in shifted if you were able to post. Go lang, guys. You can also type it anonymously if you don't want to really share it 100%. If you don't want to share your name, no worries. Basta, I want you guys to feel 100% shifted and showing up so that your subconscious part of your brain, nakikita niya that you are doing, acting as your dream self, activating as your dream self. Okay? Let me know, let me know. We have a few more minutes left. Checking here, checking. Ayan. I'm seeing Dana's now. I'm so excited for you, Dana. I'm so excited. I hope you feel yung transformation kahit just by journaling. And again, if ever you still have limiting beliefs, you can always redo yung mga journal na ginawa natin kanina. So we have letting go of the blockages, It's not possible. Yeah, it's 100% possible. Whatever you believe in, whatever dream that you have, it was placed in your heart for a fucking reason. And you have to believe in it. You have to believe that this is yours. It is your birthright. I always tell this to myself. It is my birthright to achieve this. Wala akong pake kung nandyan siya. If nakikita mo other people can do it, that means that your manifestation is near. Your manifestation is already here. Okay? I'm so excited for you. Again, kindly type in shifted. That's how you know you already shifted. Thank you. Yes, definitely. I wrote everything down. I'm so, so, so happy. How about the others? Were you guys able to comment or to post? What are the things that you're letting go? Ayan. Ayan, we have one here. I'm ready to let go of the belief that I need to suffer first before I become successful. Oh my gosh, as a hustler before, dati talaga nag-grind ako kahit hindi ako nakakatulog hangga't nagkasakit ako para lang magkapera. Oh my gosh. Ngayon, I don't have to do that. And that's the same for everyone else in here. Sa mga ayaw mag-hustle, you can literally breathe just by breathing. Pwede kang maging milyonaryo, and that is true. I'm ready to let go of the belief that I need to suffer first before I become successful. I am becoming endlessly abundant. I just know that deep inside, I'm that powerful. You are. You deserve this. Exactly. Exactly, exactly. Again, shifted. Shifted! Sandy shifted. Welcome. Welcome sa dream era mo. Ah, nakakakilabot. I love it. Exactly. Ayan, guys. So, make sure to do this. I want you guys to feel 100% shifted. And what's next? So I hope makita ko kayo next week Friday same time because we are gonna be doing the manifestation on steroids. I won't share anything else about this. I'm really excited about this. I know this could be, most awaited part, but you already did the hard part, which is becoming honest with yourself, knowing your blocks. Now, if you do this method, yung manifestation on steroids, manifestation on drugs, basically, you are gonna be seeing your manifestations 100% fast. So again, show up. You already know why we're showing up. Trust the process. Kasi you already became her. You shifted. You shifted today. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's session. I'm so excited and I'm so happy you guys are here. And let me know lang rin through our community if you have any questions or need any help. And see you next week, same time. And here's to becoming our dream self. Thank you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you. Thank you, Sandy. Thank you, Dana. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm really happy na nakatulong siya sa inyo, guys. Thank you, Dana. Sandy, Eve, Maricel, Ryrie, sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce it properly. Ellie, Agnes, thank you so much. Again, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye, guys. See you next week. Thank you so much. I'm getting goosebumps right now. You shifted. That's the reason you shifted. If you feel it, you shifted. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Bye.